Whole carcasses of lamb are processed in seconds via a series of robotic stabilizing arms and chop saws. Donuts are stabilized and flipped over into hand-swirled chocolate, resulting in perfect coating. Chine bones are removed from pork slabs with a guiding wheel and a sharp skill saw-like device. A three-tiered process of cleaning, drying, and pulverizing is implemented to extract pineapple juice. A candy machine with two levers that spin in opposite directions whips candy into the ideal consistency. Forward motion and a chain link contraption work in unison to wrap an expertly stuffed flatbread. Automatic flattening arm works in a counterclockwise motion to form exact-sized dough balls. Sandwiches are quartered with a vertically oscillating chop blade in less than 1 second. A 180-degree rotating tray flips pancakes in a clockwise motion, ensuring both sides are cooked. Hundreds of chickens are dismantled, processed, and packed in a finely tuned chicken factory. Salmon is weighed, portioned, and packaged precisely with robotic stabilizing and slicing arms. Donuts are perfectly fried and then precisely filled with an automated jelly injection machine. oddly shaped and undersized tomatoes are removed by levers that quickly react. Artisanal Parmesan Reggiano from grass-fed cows is beautifully crafted by hand from start to finish. An incredibly complex sorting and chopping factory machine packages different size bags of potatoes. Crabs are broken down by various cutting and cleaning tools to produce ready-for-sale crab legs. A robotic arm rapidly loads cookie trays by using an exact movement schedule every time. Multicolor ice cream cakes are rolled up at lightning speed with clockwise moving twister rotary heads. The rotating blade of a Texter TS500 produces perfectly measured slices of cheese. Man and machine join forces to process, cook, and package an Asian tomato sauce.